Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best Elictic soldering iron reviews. The most popular TS100 soldering iron. One more ergonomic appearance design with larger screen display more information. Anti-slip soldering iron handle convenience to grip. Pluggable tip installation easy to replace the tip. 2 upgraded with DC 5.5 and USB Type-C dual power jack support DC 924V and PD 3.09V 28V power supply which can be powered by laptop power supply. The power bank or smartphone quick power charger directly.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.